Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we got an exciting topic for you that's going to put more money back in your pockets. I think. If you're a young adult looking to maximize your tax refund, you're in the right place. We've got some awesome tax hacks to share with you. So let's dive right in. Before we get into the hacks, let's talk about why this is crucial for young adults like you. As a college student or recent graduate, every dollar counts, and knowing how to make the most of your tax refund can make a big difference in your financial situation. We understand that taxes can be intimidating, but they don't have to be. We're here to break it all down. Now, imagine this. You're a college student working a part-time, paying a tuition, and trying to save for your future. You're wondering how you can reduce your tax liability and get a bigger refund. Well, the good news is you're not alone, and we've been there too. So we're going to share some practical and legal tax strategies to help you keep more of your hand-earning money. Let's start with one of the most important tax hacks for young adults. Uncovering overlooked deductions. Many young people miss out on significant tax deductions simply because they're not aware of them. Today, we're going to help you change that. Here are a few deductions you might be eligible for. Education expenses. If you're a student, you can often deduct expenses related to education, such as tuition fees, textbooks, and supplies. There are even education-related tax credits that can reduce your tax liability even further. The potential benefit here is substantial saving on your tax bill. You could end up with even $2 of dollar back in your pocket, which is fantastic news for students. A tool supporting students. Moving expenses. Did you move for a new job or education purpose? Certain moving expenses may be tax deductible, including transportation, storage, and living costs. The potential benefit: your moving expenses can become a significant tax break, softening the financial impact of relocation. Student loan interest. If you're repaying student loans, the interest you pay on those loans is tax deductible up to a certain limit. The potential benefit is reduced taxable income. By claiming this deduction, you can potentially save $100 on your taxes. Health saving account contributions. If you have PSA, the contributions you make are tax deductible. PSA offers a tax advantage way to save for medical expenses. The potential benefit is a double win. You get to reduce your taxable income and save your future medical expenses in a tax advantage account. By making sure you're aware of this deduction and keeping a meticulous record of your eligible expenses, you can save a substantial amount on your taxes. Now, let's talk about tax credit. Tax credits are incredible because they directly reduce your tax bill. Dollar for dollar, here are some that are particularly relevant to young adults. The Earned Income Tax Credit. This credit is designed to help low-income individuals and families. If you meet the criteria, you could get a significant refund. Potential benefit is like free money in your pocket, which can be a financial lifeline for many. The American Opportunity Tax Credit. If you're a student, this credit can help cover some of your education expenses. It can be worth up to 2,500 per year. The potential benefit here is a direct reduction in your tax bill, meaning you pay less in taxes or potentially get a larger tax refund. The Lifetime Learning Credit. Even if you're not eligible for the American Opportunity Tax Credit, you might qualify for the lifetime learning credit. This credit can help cover a variety of education expenses. The potential benefit is saving your education costs, making learning more affordable. Child and dependent care credit. If you have dependents, you might qualify for this credit, which help offset the cost of childcare. The potential benefit is substantial saving on childcare expenses, making it easier for parents to balance work and family life. Remember, these are just some examples. The tax code is full of credit that can work to your advantage if you know about them and meet the requirement. Now, let's talk about tax advantage account, which are like financial tools designed to help you save money for your future while reducing your tax burden. Here are few key ones. If your employer after a 401k consider participate it allowing to invest money for retirement because taxes are taken out. Plus, your employer may match your contribution, which is essential free money. The potential benefit here is twofold. You're saving for your future and you're reducing your current taxable income. The Roth IRA, unlike the 401k contribution to a Roth IRA, are made after tax. The benefit is that your withdrawals in retirement are tax-free, including any investment gains. The potential benefit tax-free income in retirement, which can significantly enhance your financial security. Health savings account. If you have a high deductible health insurance plan, you can contribute to RPSA. Contributions are tax deductible and you can use the money for qualified medical expenses without paying taxes. The potential benefit here is a double tax effect, lower taxable income today and tax-free medical expenses in the future. This account can help you save and invest wisely, all while reducing your taxable income. For those of you working part-time or in a tight economy, this one's especially for you. Self-employment can open up a world of deduction and tax-saving opportunities. Home office deduction. If you use a portion of your home exclusively for work, you may qualify for this deduction. It can cover a portion of your rent or mortgage, utilities, and more. The potential benefit, you're essentially turning your home into a tax haven, reducing your housing costs. Vehicle expenses. If you use your car for work-related purpose, you can often deduct a portion of your vehicle expenses. This includes gas, maintenance, and depreciation. The potential benefit here is significant savings on transportation costs. Health insurance deductions. Self-employed individuals can sometimes deduct health insurance premiums. The potential benefit, lower healthcare costs, retirement contribution. If you're if you're self-employed, you can set up a retirement account like a simplified employee pensions, IRA, or a solo 401k, which offer tax benefits. The potential benefit is twofold. You're saving for your retirement and you're reducing your taxable income today. Understanding and taking advantage of this deduction can significantly reduce your self-employment tax liability and increase your overall tax refund. It's like getting paid to be your boss. There you have it, folks, or top tax hacks for young adults. We hope you found this information helpful and empowering. Remember, taxes don't have to be scary. By using this strategy, you can keep more money in your pocket and build a more secure financial future. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to explore in the world of finance and personal growth. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Also, let us know in the comment if you like us to dive deeper into any specific tax related topic. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.